in the Wadin Funya Babetuano, or say Alan denounces Suhum Machete attack. It in Cranta course war, and my boy course war, Manfo Chow Munchemua. Yes, one more no Mawaya who interviews this year. Alan Quadrature to Abamontin said the course one and yet Adia Sunen yet. Now, and Yadia would more as any pebby, Ake Kaka Chidi, ever so many bitchino was winning more, and it's Wababo and Chaba become a Ghana this year. At said the course war on a yard of Wasone, and for such an away a chronicle. I answer. Yes, COVID-19, 5 million more versus na Eba before you at the hand. It won your chronicle double cratana. Na Ghanaian media deserves investment to improve output. Where could your pon Cromanesma or the Atuja was for the Obon some so. You may dear because why I see a day share and say drove phone crying. Now for your moment tribune aka said the bear Mudmedio Mudi never conquering and a could your pon Cromadia Betuja was investment. Omo first come gram
asamo
and then say trophy so omonya to say you omo fe forward brutri
oh aden
na cash nisu enti ene de obokrata chronicle do de buy no na daily graphic de obokrata and ono so de sama ba ne sama wo de buy ye Ghana mapanyi na adodan kwakufu ado ne fonyine de ha sanso na Angela Merkel wo panyin pa wo no e na okopi mo Germany wo man no wo de wo man no omu fonyine de ha wo ba ne bema enom de o mabatwe omo de echia na yese de Awurade ado 1.5 million doses of vaccines AstraZeneca eba be piemu wo maimu na Ghana de share ya wo am ye ho aye de na ora nso a emse kwadwo ponkroma de ne ya Canada na road minister na ne buafu no so obeche bilamti runabout no ache na yefo ya omukobisa panyimpa won na engineer wo hwa bo amadwumadi na timi akoso no opanyin ne chemo say electrical gadgets ne poles ne installations ne ade also mu yi free ho ansa no matimi aye kwan no so afo na dwalai wo so omonye ne ntem ya che wono wonso so no mabisa tene de obokrata daily graphic de ono so ede ba ye eno na daily guide de obokrata nso awravo samuel koso e wa wutu emra omudi afasha obi kwatutuo na ekowi ase awrakwa wanya mfisha nwotwe wuti na nanom wonse do eno ada ye de honsem by artistic ase bo ne so anwumere so ye de honsem by ene de obokrata friends daily guide omo so aba monten a wode honsem aba sanso ene so hum to kwasema e man ho so no eno so de obokrata na ede honsem by ye Ghana Times de obokrata enso ohwa ensu ato amatamale ne potemu yes 5 hours downpour causes destruction honsem e wa ha ensu to ye e wa tamale do hore be se numpe and it's already I know
o Ghana Times anima yeah
and the obokrata no or the honsem abba and as you cook for so drivers no nose mask no more fanya here almost one share and nation it is say bambo force or two gum compulsory by force umpo na the mask no be share one chance you be chew and honsem and the obokrata friends Ghanaian Times and so edia ba ma me face ya na akwasi twaso
Medase bebre medase obedum bia de komi sanity sesi na do afidi to high Adom 106.3 FM just in Jumadi ya come for quick commercial break ya ba Adom Sports page 1